In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to a Google Ads account. Whether you're working with a team or hiring an agency, it's essential to share access with the right people, and I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. Now let's get started. First, head over to your Google Ads account. If you haven't already signed in, make sure you do so using your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the overview page of Google Ads. This page gives you a snapshot of your account's performance and other critical metrics. It's a good place to familiarize yourself with the account layout if you're not already accustomed. As you hover over the options in the navigation bar, locate the admin section. This is where a variety of account settings are housed. Hovering over admin will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find the option labeled Access and Security. Go ahead and click on Access and Security. This section is crucial as it deals with who can access your Google Ads account and what they can do with that access. Once you're in the Access and Security area, you'll notice a plus icon, often a universal symbol for adding something new. Click on this plus icon to start the process of granting access to someone else. Now you will be prompted to provide an email address. Enter the email address of the person you wish to grant access to. Make sure it's correct because this is how the invitee will gain entry to your account. Moving on, you'll see a section labeled Access Expires. Here you'll have a drop-down menu. This allows you to select how long the person you're inviting will have access to your account. Consider how long you want them to help with your advertising efforts and make a selection that fits your needs. Next, it's time to select the access level you want to assign. The importance of choosing the correct level cannot be overstated, as it determines the scope of what the user can do within your account. Options usually range from read-only to admin rights, so pick one that aligns with the responsibilities you're entrusting to this individual. After all these selections are made, scroll down and click on Send Invitation. Once you've sent the invitation, the recipient will receive an email inviting them to access your Google Ads account. They need to accept this invitation before they can start working on your campaigns. Keep an eye on your account's access and security page to see if the invitation has been accepted. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully given someone access to your Google Ads account. Remember, managing access responsibly is key to ensuring the security and success of your advertising efforts. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and happy advertising.